So I wanted to show you this real quick. I'm going to do this Lightroom tips and tutorials just real fast for you. So what I was thinking was I got a wedding catalog that I use, and I got a portraits catalog that I use. So what I wound up doing was I wound up putting some portraits inside my wedding catalog, and I don't want it to go that way. So what I'm going to do right now is to show you how to export from one catalog and import to another catalog right in Lightroom, and all of the settings and everything will carry over. All right, let's see. First thing we want to do is make sure that we're in the right catalog, and this is not the right catalog. I want to get these files right here out of this catalog and get them into the proper catalog. So I'm going to do open recent catalog, and I'm going to go to my 2025-2026 portraits catalog. So as that's opening up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to file, and then I'm going to go to import from another catalog. Now, when I do this import from another catalog, what that's going to do is it's going to open up the catalog that I was just in, and it's going to bring all of the photos from that catalog that I choose and bring it over to the new one. So here's how we're going to do that. I'm going to choose the 2025 weddings catalog. I'm going to check it, and then I'm going to hit choose. And then what that's going to do is it's going to open up that catalog. Make sure that you uncheck all folders, because you don't want all the folders going in there. You only want the certain ones that you select. So I'm going to uncheck all folders. I'm going to go down to the couple of folders that I want to go over there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say you go down to new photos. It's telling you how many photos you have in that catalog. File handling, I'm going to copy new photos to a new location and import. I don't need to do any of that. Only thing I need to do is just get the catalog there. The photos can stay where they are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say add new photos to catalog without moving. So I'll check that. And then change existing photos, 228 photos, replace. I'm going to do nothing there. And then existing photos that are missing, I'm not going to do anything there. I'm not worrying about that. It's probably a couple of photos that I deleted. And then I'm just going to go down and I'm going to hit import. And then the magic begins, and it'll bring everything into this catalog. And here we go. And as you can see, just that quick, we got our catalog that was, the photos that was from the other catalog that was in our weddings catalog. Now we have that in our portraits catalog, just like we wanted. All of the ratings came over, all of the development things that we did came over, all of the edits, everything we did came right over to this catalog. And now we got it just the way we want it. And now the photos that was in the other catalog, that was in our weddings catalog, are gone. So there you have it. This is how you import or export from one catalog and import to another. Stick around for more tips and Lightroom stuff from Livingston Lead Media. This video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.